Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to introduce you about what if 2. Well, let's start by some of the questions. Is that a lot of questions? The first question was about what would happen to the solar system what happened if the solar system was filled out to Jupiter. Well, the first thing is, do you know that everything will be okay? Some things will be okay to about 11 minutes. And the whole solar system will be doomed because the suit will be so heavy and everyone will be able to escape its pole. So it's really a black hole. And Pluto is outside of it, but it didn't mean you'll be out of the disaster zone. You don't have time to broadcast a radio message like broadcast. The suit is hitting. No, the black hole is hitting and overtaking. Then Pluto is gone. You only have time to do this. And if you are in some pressure dome, you can hang on for 10 to 15 minutes. And here's another question, which is, which is pretty good. Well, at least if you ask me. It is, let's say that two people of different heights, 159 cm and 206 cm, stand beside each other while looking at the sunset. How much longer will the taller person be able to see the sun than the shorter one? Well, it ends up over 4 seconds longer. The sunsets later for tall people because the higher up are, the further you can see over the horizon. And anyway, I have an idea for you for getting a better sunset. All you need is a staircase and ladder. Then first climb up the ladder and you'll experience the sunrise. Then jump down and you'll experience another sunrise seconds later. Then actually, there's another thing. Can you get drunk from drinking a drunk person's blood? And you have to drink a bunch of blood, and it's so much I can scratch my skin 5 times in a row like this. You have to drink 14 glasses. If your blood is more than 0.5% alcohol, you stand a pretty good chance of dying. There have been a handful of cases of people surviving with a blood alcohol level of above 1%. But 0.40% is which 50% of people would die. If someone had a blood alcohol concentration, BAC, of 0.40 and drank all 14 glasses of their blood in a short amount of time, you'll throw up. You won't throw up because of alcohol, you'll just throw up because of blood. Right? Then, well, if after you drink all this blood, someone killed you and drank your blood, that would be BAC of 0.006. If this process was already repeated about 25 times, that would be a field of 8 particles of inferno left in the last person's blood. Of course. Whenever there's any alcohol in it, we're not drinking 14 glasses of blood won't be fun. Right? And you have too much iron, you'll circle. So don't drink blood unless if you're in the desert or you're desperate or something. Remember this thing. Then there's another question. If you were flying blind during the Milky Way, which will be the odds of hitting a star or planet? Well, your odds of hitting a star will only be 1 in a billion. The odds of hitting a planet will be 1,000 times smaller. But for comparison, that's about the same as the odds of a scientist called Barack Obama picking up your phone and dialing 10 random digits and getting his cell number on your first try. And a flight across the galaxy will take a long time though. If you try a number every 3 seconds, it will only take you 10,000 years to dial them all. The trip across the galaxy will take a lot longer, 10 million years at 1% of the speed of light. So that will give you and Obama plenty of time to check once you get his number. Hello, Barack Obama. Be done. Hi, Barack Obama. Done. Like this. And what would happen if someone dropped an anvil on you from space? The good news is that the anvil is small enough that the atmosphere will slow down to terminal velocity by the time it reaches you. The bad news is that the terminal velocity of an anvil is roughly 500 miles an hour. When it ever lands on you, it doesn't really matter how high it falls from. Well, I think this is the best question, I guess. But it's enough to tickle my neck or break my neck like this. And there's another thing. Well, some people think that Pokeballs are eggs. Oh, this is enough to scratch my eggs. What's this? Oh, crack. And it says Pika. So, but I'm not inside Pokemon so much. So don't ask me about that. See this book. What if 2? Wow. Here's another question. Another cool question. And what if you are hanging from a helicopter blade by hands and someone turned it on? Well, if a helicopter blade turned, then there will be a problem. Because you only turn about one blade before only 3/4 of the blade, then it won't be here. So you probably can only be there for 3 seconds at most. Well, a helicopter blade is designed to handle many tons of tension. But that tension is carefully balanced, of course. If one blade is exerting more force than another, it'll yank the helicopter back and forth, like an unbalanced washing machine, of course. And just a few ounces of weight can make a helicopter blade collapse. So don't try this. And I think this is the end of my video. Thank you. And goodbye. See you next time about tortoises again. were, remember the tortoise, Edison and Graham Bell.